In this video, we'll show how you can add an action bar to a list control. So you can see here we have a simple list control that does not currently have an action bar. So let's go back to design mode and turn on the action bar for this list control. So we'll go there to list properties. And then we see here action bar. So we'll say has action bar. And then we'll define the action bar. So the action bar can have a number of system buttons like refresh list, export data to Excel, search the list using a query by example feature, custom buttons, which are buttons that you can define yourself, list detail view buttons. So if the list has a detail view, then these are the buttons to save the edits to the back to the list, to create a new record in the list, to synchronize the list, etc. And then you can also define the layout of the buttons in the action bar. So automatic is the order in which they were defined. And then if you go here and you choose custom, you can move buttons into different places, different orders. And then finally, custom template allows you to create your own HTML for the action bar and then insert placeholders for each of the various buttons. So we're going to basically go ahead here and turn on custom buttons, and let's go ahead now and define our custom buttons. So we'll go here, we'll add a button called, say, B1. Then we'll choose the layout of the button. We'll choose image only, and we'll go and choose an SVG image. So let's go ahead here and choose, say, I don't know, let's just choose, say, this image over there. And we'll choose a different color for the image. So that we just need to get the fill color. So let's go here and choose, say, that color for the fill color. So that's the image that we've chosen. So we'll go ahead and click OK. And then we'll go and define some JavaScript that will execute when this button is pressed. So I'll go here and say alert. So now we'll go ahead and we'll run the component. And we'll see there's our action bar. We see that the buttons for the detail view are not visible because this list does not have a detail view. And here's our custom button with the custom action, which just displays alert 1, 2, 3. So let's go back to this list now and turn on the detail view. So we'll go here to list properties and we'll turn on the detail view. And now when we render the list, we'll see that the action bar has additional buttons for the detail view actions. So there's our list now, and there are our detail view buttons over there. So what we've shown in this video is how you can easily add an action bar to a list, and this action bar can have a bunch of predefined buttons, system buttons. It can also have custom buttons, and it can also have buttons that allow you to execute detail view methods. So let's go ahead now back to this list and specify that we go here and choose delay render until explicit refresh, and then go ahead now and run this in the browser. So we see here that the list has no data in it because it hasn't been refreshed yet. So I'm going to go press this button on the action bar, which is going to refresh the list. And now I'm going to press this button to export the data to Excel. So I press the button and there's the Excel export that's just taken place. I'm going to just move this screen around so you can see it. So there's the Excel download that just happened. And if I open up the file, I see there's the Excel data that was exported from the list. So what we've shown is how you can create custom action bars for a list control that perform various actions. Thanks very much for watching.